turning further from my home. Young, like a new moon rising fierce through the rain and lightning, wandering out into this great unknown. And I don't want no one to cry, but tell him if I don't survive, I was born free. I was born free. I was born free. Born free. And free like a river raging strong. If the wind I'm facing, chasing dreams and racing father time. Deep like the grandest canyon, wild like an ultimate stallion. If you can see my heart, you must be blind. You can knock me down and watch me bleed, but you can keep no chains on me. I was born free. I was born free. I was born free. Born free. And I'm not good at long goodbyes, but look down deep into my eyes. I was born free. Come, facing danger, lost like an unknown stranger, grateful for my time with no regrets. Close to my destination, tired, frail and aching, waiting patiently for the sun.